Welcome and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be reviewing some colored contact lenses that I got from the company Just4Kira, and this is the box that it comes in. So I'm going to show you guys the different ones that I got, and then I'm going to try them on, give my review and opinion at the end. Also, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Okay, so for the first color that I got is the Citha Grey Just4Kira contacts, and this is, the strength is 0 on both because I don't have any prescriptions, so I just got 0. So this is gonna be gray. This is what the packaging looks like. I've already took them out of the original packaging. Straight out the box you're gonna get, it's gonna look like this, and it comes with a clear case with tools to help apply the contacts to your eyes. I've already set these in solution overnight. On this instruction card, it says to soak the contact lens for 6 to 8 hours in solution. So these are the contacts. I hope this doesn't look crazy, too bright, too scary. You know, I ain't trying to scare nobody. Okay, let's try them. Citha Grey. I don't think I'm gonna be able to leave in on camera. Yeah, no. I'll be back. These are the Citha Greys. Take these off and we're gonna do the Asa Blue. Okay, so these are the Asa Blue contacts. Let me see. So these are the Asa Blue contacts by Kira. These are pretty. I like these. They're cute. What y'all think about them? Let me know your guys' favorite color down in the comment section below. And so we're gonna move right on along, and we're gonna do the Neala. We're gonna do the Neala Green next. So far, this is what we're looking at with the Neala Green compared to my original eye color. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the other contact in so you can see it all together. Okay, so these are the Neala Green contacts by Kira. I like these. I really think these might end up being my favorite pair. These are cute. Look at them. They look a little light, but I like them. I think the blue ones is going to be my #1 favorite. And these will be #2. So we got one more pair to try, and that is going to be the Citha Brown. And so we're gonna be trying these on next. I'll be right back. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for you. Okay, so now I'm just going to put the other contact in so you can see them side by side. Okay, so these are the contacts. The Citha Brown. I like #1, 3, and 5. So that is. So I like the blue, the green, and the Citha Brown. Everything will be listed in the description box below if you want to get your own. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button down below, as well as subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new upload. Until the next video, you guys. Love ya. Bye. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say